This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy A26 5G. The Samsung Galaxy A26 5G is an affordable smartphone that offers 5G connectivity, a sleek design and reliable performance. It is designed for users seeking modern features without a premium price tag. Now we will see the product features. This smartphone comes with 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. Design-wise, it is slim, flat design with 7.7 mm body and elegant glass back. This smartphone available in three colors: black, white, and mint. This smartphone is powered by Exynos 1380 processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient performance. This smartphone has a main camera which is 50 MB with optical image stabilization for clear and sharp photos. Ultra wide lens which is 8 MB for capturing wider scenes. Macro lens which is 2 MB for detailed close-up shots. And it has a front camera which is 13 MB for high quality selfies and video calls. This smartphone comes with 5000 mAh battery, provides extended usage time, and it supports 25-watt fast charging for quick recharging. This smartphone rated IP67 for water and dust resistance, offering protection against accidental splashes and dust. This smartphone comes with Android 15 operating system and One UI 7, with a promise of 6 years of OS and security updates, which ensure long-term software reliability. This smartphone comes with 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB or 256 GB of internal storage with micro SD card support. This smartphone supports 5G connectivity, which enables fast download and upload speeds. What are the advantages? First point is high quality display. The 120Hz Super AMOLED screen provides vibrant colors and smooth visuals. Second point is extended software support. 6 years of updates ensure the device remains secure and up to date. Third point is robust battery life. The 5000 mAh battery offers extended usage, and 25-watt fast charging minimizes the downtime. What are the limitations? No micro SD slot, lacks expandable storage options, limiting users to built-in storage capabilities. Charger not included. The 25-watt fast charging adapter is sold separately, adding to the overall cost. What are the customer feedbacks? First point is vibrant display. Users have praised the Galaxy A26 5G for its vibrant display, providing an excellent viewing experience. Second point is long-lasting battery life. Customers appreciate the long-lasting battery life that keeps the device running throughout the day. Third point is reliable performance. The reliable performance has been highlighted by many users as a key strength of this device. Fourth point is extended software support. The extended software support has also been highlighted as a significant advantage, ensuring the device remains relevant over the time. In US, the price ranges from $300 to $450. In India, the price ranges from 25,000 rupees to 38,000 rupees.